Hi, guys, welcome back to another great episode from us. And I'm, as always, so excited for today's episode because we're going to talk about how to make money while you sleep. Geez, is that even possible? I mean, we've talked about this topic a few times before, but we're going to share with you some new stuff with the kind of new spiciness into it. For an example, most of us, right? Most of us, if you worked for 40 years, right? If you started working at the age of 20 and if you retired at the age of, let's say, 55, 35 years, most of us, most of the people that you know, work for someone else. Why not use all those years for yourself? Invest that time, invest all those years in you, in your family. Just imagine the feeling, right? You're not investing your time and money on someone else but in you. So how to make that happen? It's never too late. If you haven't started this, just start doing them now, and we are going to give you some tips. We're going to give share some thoughts, share some options uh, on today's episode. So over to my friend on the other side.
Right, right. So yeah, most of us like we don't even know there are things exist like this, right?
Right, right,
Because
right.
we are living in 21st century now, and there are so many things. There's like one group of people in the world, they take advantage of all these things, right?
Correct.
Mainly like millennials, right? They know, not all of them, but they know the ways around to make money, and that's why they
Yeah.
just enjoy the life on the other side. But think about like our fathers, our great grandfathers, they were working hard. Like it's now everything has changed, the technology changed everything, and
Correct.
that made it possible to make money while you sleep. Right.
And the fact is, Venkat, like when we hear about all those stories from our fathers, grandfathers, great grandfathers, that's fantastic. I mean, that's definitely made the men they are,
Right.
right? That's good for that
At the
generation.
time,
And
yeah, good
at
for
that
that
time,
time.
it's great.
Right.
And so, and if you're in this generation, make use of the things that are around you. They use that.
Right.
They our fathers, grandfathers, they use the environment that they were presented with, and they made use of it. So this is our time, and as long as it's legal, right?
Right.
That's our
Also, you mentioned that why do you work for somebody else? Like, let
self.
the money work for you.
Yeah,
Make enough money, and then put that money, invest in ways that we are going to tell you, and then let that money work for you and make more
yeah,
money, right?
correct.
And the statistics says like you just need to get first 100,000 dollars, right? Once you have that $100,000, it's very easy to make next $100,000.
600,000.
The first $100,000 making that, it's going to take time.
Is it because that you know the system, you know how to use the system, and you know the
No, it's
options,
just the
the
money.
opportunities?
Money plays a lot of role. Like you can use $100,000 to invest on multiple things. That's
Mm,
going to grow so fast because
correct.
it's heavy amount, right? Even like you get 30% return on your investment, $30,000 every year. 30,000, you can double your money in 3 years. It'll
Correct.
be versus like it might have taken like 10 years for you to make that
Yeah,
100,000.
yeah.
Same way, like if you have $1 million, it's pretty easy to make next million, another million, right? That's how it works. So you have to work really hard, save everything, get to 100,000, then you will be able to make money
Make it
while you
double.
sleep.
Yeah,
Let's jump in and talk about that, right? The main thing that we really like is the real estate rentals, right?
yeah.
So what happens? You just buy a turnkey investment. It's something called turnkey, right? Turnkey means the house is fully furnished, like not really furnished, like all the appliances are there, and everything is perfect condition. It's a brand new house, and you don't need to even go in there to fix anything. It's not going to create issues for you for several years to come, right? That kind of house, just buy that and get 20% down, and then get a loan, and then you have that rental, right? You have that rental, you might be getting $2,000 income coming in. You might be paying uh 1100, 1200, 1300 mortgage, right? So you have 700, 800 cash flow coming in. Just a one time thing, you have to do one time. The critical part in this case is like you have to do something
Yeah,
right in the beginning. And then it become passive. It become passive means it's like, well, you make money while you're sleeping.
Well, yeah.
That's the beauty of it. And once you buy one rental, again the same story here, right? If you have $100,000, we talked about making another, it's easier. Once you buy one, buying another one is easier after, like, so let's say you're buying in 5 years, one, right? You save a lot of money. You bought a rental house in one after 5 years, and then the next house you could be buying it in 2 years, and then the third house you could be buying it in 1 year, and the fourth one you could buy it in like 6 months. That goes like that, and then keep on going, and then you'll have enough, let's say 500 $600,000 cash flow in each house, and your expenses is like say $10,000. You need 10 houses. Just calculate that.
And so this aligns with what we said earlier. You're investing in yourself, so this is not working for someone else. You build the equity on those houses, and at the end of the day, you're owning those houses. And you made the first move. Do it one time, make the down payment. A turnkey investment is one option that you mentioned, right? You put the down payment, and you make sure that uh, your rental income covers enough of a full mortgage payment, and you get at least 500 plus rental income. You build that over years, like 5 years to 10 years, and then you can retire in 10 years probably, right?
Right, exactly. That's just one type of, and like, if you don't like real estate investment, you don't want to involve in
That's
that.
just one of the options that we
Yeah,
just
one of
mentioned.
the options. And let's jump in. Like, you like writing, right? Even you don't need to like writing. You need to develop the writing skills. Like, let's say you go on to the forums, you and use Facebook a lot and type, start commenting everywhere. Then you are basically writing. You are writing
Right.
something, right? It's a
Right.
casual writing, but
Yeah.
just make that habit, right?
Yeah.
Into your actual day-to-day writings. Just make it
And you
as a
made a
writing.
really good point when some people don't enjoy writing, but some of the comments that I've seen on Facebook, I'm like, boy, you can really use it, because there are so
Right.
many controversial topics, especially these days, right? And
Hmm.
people start commenting. I mean, they're really good at that, and they put out their opinion into words in writing.
Yeah, that's a writing, right? Right
Yeah,
there.
that's amazing, and probably they don't even know that they have that ability. And so make use of them, and find your niche. Find your niche, write something, and there are sites that we shared in one of the in our previous episode.
Right.
So sites, and put it out there, and someone would like it, might like it, and just purchase it, right? Sleep
Yeah,
while you
exactly. And you can talk,
while you
if you
sleep.
don't want to type everything, you can talk through Google Sheets. Like, you go to Google Sheets
Right. Mm.
and you can actually able to talk, and it start writing for you.
Yeah.
And
Oh yeah,
that way
that's
you
perfect.
have it.
Yeah.
That's one thing. And it's just do it one time. Again, like, key is just do it like one time. Let's say it takes 1 week for you to write a book, right? Ebook,
Right.
maybe 50 pages, right? Let's say that, and then it's selling it for $9.99, and you could able to sell it 1,000 copies a year, right? That's just
Yeah.
one book. $10,000 you'd get from that book. Just 1 week worth of time, even
Yeah.
if it's not 10,000, let's say that you're getting only $1,000 a year, right? Just 1 week worth of time is going to be continuously coming in every
Yeah.
year.
There you
That's
go.
you will be sleeping, right? You're not writing during the time
Yeah.
when the money is coming
You
in.
just write only once.
Right. Right. Whenever it's touching, like, you get the money, and
Yeah.
doesn't you don't have to do anything with
Yep.
that. You just cash it, right? That's a writing, real estate, and then the YouTube that we are doing right now, right? So we create, our goal is to create like 100 to 200 videos, right? All the useful videos, nuggets, everything that we are giving to you guys after doing all the research on our side, right?
Mhm.
So that's going to stay there. It's going to stay forever in YouTube, as long as it's YouTube is there, right?
Yeah.
So, and people are going to watch it all over the world through their phone or TV or in a computer, and it's going to be useful for them. And but we had to do like one time. We don't have to go back and forth and keep on doing. We don't have to go to 9 to 5 job to do this.
Yeah.
Nothing else. While we're sleeping, we will be still making money in the future.
Yeah.
That's a YouTube thing, right? Everybody should take advantage. Another thing is affiliate marketing, right? It's really really like everybody wants to sell the products, like through multiple channels. Think about like your thousands, millions of minions working for you. If you have a company of a lot of products, right?
Right.
They're telling you, oh, buy this, buy that, right? But if you send a customer to me, I'm going to give you 10% to you. So I'm selling $100 product, but it actually cost me only $10 to make it. I can throw you $10 to you, just so just $20 expenses, right?
Right.
So I'm still getting $80. So that's what affiliate marketing
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
So like you just have to promote other people products, and you don't no products to buy, nothing else. You can promote through your YouTube, and you just do it by linking, right? Linking all these products in your YouTube channel, or you can use the blogging. Blogging is another ways to, like, just write once online, for
Right.
example, like medium.com or Quora. All those things, you basically can insert all these affiliate marketing links.
And
So
Quora is a Q-U, how do you spell that?
Quora.
Quora,
Yeah.
Quora.com. Yeah, if anyone is interested. So that's the
Right,
site.
right. So other than that, I would say,
And
like,
also something that you do, upload some great pictures on Dreamstime, right?
right, yeah,
The
it's a micro
picture
stock.
yeah.
Right, exactly. Micro stock photography is another one. Like, you take pictures, you upload them, and it's there forever, and it's keep on giving you money.
And because the same picture can be downloaded as many times, right?
Many
So
times, right? You
that's
just
what
take
we
one
said.
time, maybe it
Yeah.
takes a few seconds for you to take picture,
So,
few seconds to upload, you're done.
and it keeps generating money for you. Just that's what we said. Do it one time, and you can earn money while you sleep. Great,
And the
great.
last one is Amazon. I almost missed that.
Yeah.
Amazon, like, you think about Amazon, is like 50% of the marketplace in the US alone, right? And it's in 13 or 14 different countries right now, and it's growing. Everybody knows Amazon will be like $1 trillion. It's already almost that, right? They're expecting Jeff Bezos would be the trillionaire, maybe first
Hmm.
trillionaire in the world, if
The
we
world.
keep on going in this space, right? He's almost $150 billion worth right now. So yeah, so because of that, all these huge thing, what happens is they sell like millions of products. You basically get a wholesale, right? You go and buy like thousands of them from a wholesaler or manufacturer, right? If some, like, for example, somebody's let's say this one, right? You just go to the wholesaler of this and get a boxes of this thing, thousand of them shipped to warehouse, Amazon warehouse. You are going to do that transaction just once, right?
Yeah.
Amazon is going to take care of all the shipping, customer
Right.
service. They're going to take some commission, but you're getting the rest of the money. Whatever, like 5, 10%, 20%. Normally, it's around 30% is the commission that you get. That the leftover. So it's a huge scalable, high potential business. Anybody can start, and you don't have to. You just do one time thing, and then it's keep on selling.
See, that's the point. That's the thing that most people are probably not aware of, right? You don't have to do any of that stuff, label shipping and all that. You just send it to Amazon warehouse, and they'll take care of it. So thank you so much for sharing that.
Yeah, these are some of the ways. There are more ways, but try to focus on like 2 3 things only. Right? Don't do all of them at the same time. But yeah, but think about what is good. Maybe you can do it in the beginning and learn what's working out for you, right?
Yep,
Sometimes
yep.
it may not work out for you, and
Yep.
then just stick with the 2 3 things, and you'll be good.
Do you give it a shot? Give all of them a shot if you have time, if you have the capacity, and find your niche, find what you like to do, and boom, go for it. That's it from us. Unless you have any final touches,
Oh
final
no,
points.
yeah, that's it, guys. Talk to
Yeah,
you guys later.
see you guys later. Thank you for watching.
Bye.